Blood cult 2. Much of what they talk about are those who are just trying to prove they are not Christian, and how the people giving forth these conspiracy theories are confusing Catholic holidays and practices as Luciferian or satanic. Some will use their access to a group to commit crimes, but that doesn't mean it is the behavior of that group. Animal sacrifices and many other behaviors of alternative religion are perfectly legal. And if we're going to be honest about biblically, even Jesus commanded animal sacrifice and temple rituals and all that. He came to restore the law, to refurbish, to fulfill, not to do away with any, according to the Bible. Doctrine acts like it's different, but human trafficking and state facilitation of abuse can be clear without it being a cult function. Information appearing in a Bible tractate is not the same as something being proven, except maybe it being a biblical doctrine. And there are contradictory biblical doctrines. Some dangers are not about apostasy, but in possibly bringing legal, civil, and mortal danger to the groups they were in. Symbols are not satanic in themselves, but they can be used that way. People of all levels would be involved in all levels of real behavior and beliefs. But to make accusations based on speculation should be a criminal offense. One of the things this documentary makes it sound like is people are being punished for coming forward and pointing out that they or someone else was abused, and that's not what they're doing. Blackmail organizations are also not the same as Satanism. A lot of talk about the Hollywood elites. Well, the real elites aren't the people that you see on the TV all the time. They're the people who organize the system. But still, those people have their clubs and stuff, and it's not necessarily anything to do with, Satanism or anything. How is belief changed or destroyed? The continuing power of the occult are the ancient cults continue. Do rituals make you the Jesus or Lucifer of someone's life? Now, when it comes to the forbidden or illegal, the question might be innocence first or cruelty focused. And a lot of people that puts forward things like this don't realize that Jesus is put in the place of Baal, son of El. Jesus is put in the place of Moloch. Jesus is put in the place of Lucifer in the belief of the Christian. So a lot of these people get their model for forbidden power and stuff from Christianity more than they do from some form of Satanism.